Here are two quick and powerful Excel tricks you must know. Friends, if you want to create one single PDF file of all the sheets in your Excel workbook, then you can follow this simple trick. As you can see, we have multiple sheets here and each sheet has some data. Now we want to make one PDF file of all these sheets together. For this, press the F12 key on your keyboard. This will open the Save As window. Now choose the location where you want to save your file. After that, give your file a name, for example, all sheet PDF. Next, go to Save As type, click on it and select PDF. After that, you will see an option button. Simply click on it. Here choose entire workbook, then click OK. Finally, click on Save. Now Excel will create one single PDF file containing all the sheets from your Excel workbook. As you can see on the desktop, the file has been created. Let me open it and show you. This is how you can easily make one PDF file of all your Excel sheets. Now if you want to create a PDF of only a selected area in Excel, then first select the exact area you want. For example, from this entire data, we have selected only this portion and we want a PDF of just this selected area. So again press F12 on your keyboard. The Save As window will appear. Choose the desktop as the location. Now give your file a name, for example XYZ. Go to Save As type, click on it and choose PDF. Then click on Options and this time select Selection. Click OK, then click Save. Now Excel will create a PDF file of only the selected area. Let me show it to you on the desktop. Here is our file. When I open it, you can see that the PDF contains only the area we selected. I hope you like this video. If you found it useful, then please like, comment and share this video. Also subscribe to the channel for more such useful videos.